Uria wari Minister wa Ugitiri wa Thiini Ndagitari Fred Matiang'i ni eyumiritie guthetera kiama kia Jubilee kurumirira mĩario ya mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua uria ukoretwo akiuga kiama kia Jubilee ni kirarutithania wira na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Akiaria na ajumbe a kiama kiu kuma kaunti 39 guku bururi-ini, Matiang'i augite kiama kia Jubilee gitire na thiritio yothe na thirikari ya President William Ruto na nikihandite kuna uteti-ini wa mung'ethaniro.
As leaders of Jubilee agree and now have taken marching orders from our party leader that we will remain focused on the agenda of building the party, not on the agenda of talking about other people, insulting others, calling other parties names. And as I said, that is below Jubilee standard.
Matiang'i uria nowe munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kiu na muhuraniro wa giturwa kia UPRESIDENT nioritie atongoria ARUNA thiini wa mung'ethaniro maheane itio na matigi uteti muhituke ni mahinda wa gucambania indi mathingate kugacirithia urumwe wa mung'ethaniro.
Tuendelee mbele na unyenyekevu, and let us introduce now a new brand of politics in our country, which is issue-based, issue-focused, and determined to take our country to another level. So tuachane na hii maneno hiyo sarakasi zingine ya kuzungumzia vyama vingine, kuzungumzia watu wengine. Hiyo sio kazi. Kazi ni kutatua hii shida wananchi wako nayo.
Oho NIERANIIRE ni harĩirie kuigana gutabania kambi-ini ya kuhoya kura kuma kuri muingi guothe bururi-ini ihinda rĩa kinya mugaru na ũrĩa akoretwo agĩkwĩrwo ndareka kambi-ini. Akiaria ciĩgiĩ thirikari kwaga kuheana mbeca cia kuigana cia kurugamirira mabataro ma arutwo, Matiang'i augite ni kĩeha kuona thirikari ĩgĩteanĩria maũndũ ma bata ta gĩthomo na ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa mũingĩ gũkũ ĩgĩitanga mabilioni ma mbeca mĩcemanio-inĩ ya gĩũteti igeria-inĩ rĩa kuha mũingĩ ũmenyite mbaru.
Now I can tell you, for example, as a former minister for education, I am fairly frustrated by what is going on in the education sector in the country. Asking schools, including sub-county schools, to pay 53,000 school fees. Reducing capitation by almost 10,000 shillings. And then requiring parents to pay X amount of money.
Ona kuri uguo mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Julius Bitok ni areganite na riboti ati thirikari iri na mubango wa kunyihia kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo kwambiriria mwaka ukite.
All our learners will continue enjoying free primary education, free day secondary education, and the policy has not changed. Let me make that very, very clear. We are still offering free, and there's no change in fees whatsoever. And if there will be any change in fees, which the government will announce. But so far, there is no change in fees.
Mĩario ya Matiang'i yonekete gucokeria Rigathi wa Gachagua uria ukoretwo akiuga Matiang'i ndareka kambi-ini kuri muingi no areka uteti mawabici-ini etereire gukanengererio tigiti wa UPRESIDENT wa mwena wa mung'ethaniro ta Mũtong'i wa thigara. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.